Hello and welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things lifestyle and wellness. Today we're diving into the world of professional cycling. We'll be pedaling our way through the essential things you need to know if you're considering swapping your office chair for a bicycle seat and turning your passion into a profession. We'll touch on topics like the level of commitment required, the nature of training, the importance of the right equipment, and the role of a supportive team. We'll also delve into the potential risks, the lifestyle changes, the rewards that await, the passion needed, and finally, the journey you'll embark on. This isn't just about physical fitness, it's about mental resilience, strategic planning, and a whole lot of heart. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 things you need to know before becoming a professional cyclist. First things first, professional cycling requires an immense level of commitment. This isn't your leisurely weekend bike ride. It's a demanding career that requires you to devote a significant amount of time, energy, and resources. Let's talk about the physical aspect first. Your body will become your primary tool, so you need to train it rigorously. This means countless hours in the saddle, pushing your limits, and enduring the elements. It's not just about strength, but also about endurance, agility, and resilience. Then there's the mental side. Cycling is as much a mind game as it is a physical one. The ability to stay focused, to push through pain, and to overcome obstacles is crucial. The mental toughness required is often underestimated, but is absolutely vital to success. Lastly, think about the resources. You'll need to invest in top-notch equipment, nutritious food, and possibly a coach. So the first thing to consider before turning professional is your readiness to commit fully. Moving on, let's talk about the rigorous training involved. The life of a professional cyclist is not all about the thrill of the chase and the glory of victory. It's about discipline and dedication. It's about waking up before dawn to hit the road or the gym, pushing your body to its limits, day in and day out. It's about meticulously planning your meals to ensure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients. A professional cyclist's training regimen is often a mix of long rides for endurance, high-intensity interval training for speed, and strength training for power. It also incorporates rest days for recovery and the prevention of injuries. This schedule can be grueling and requires a high level of commitment. And let's not forget about the importance of a balanced diet. Consuming the right blend of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats is crucial for energy and recovery. Training for professional cycling is intense and demanding, but it's essential for achieving top performance. Next, we have the equipment. When it comes to professional cycling, your equipment isn't just a tool, it's an extension of your body. Just as a painter wouldn't use a worn-out brush, a cyclist should never underestimate the importance of quality gear. Starting with the bike, it should be lightweight yet sturdy, tailored to your body size and riding style. Remember, a bike that fits you well is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Then there's the gear. Your helmet, gloves, and shoes need to be top-notch. They should offer comfort, protection, and functionality without compromising on style. And don't forget about those padded shorts. They can be a real game changer on long rides. Maintenance is another key aspect. A well-oiled machine performs better, lasts longer, and gives you fewer headaches. Regular checkups, cleaning, and timely replacements are all part of the game. Remember, your equipment is your partner on the road, so invest wisely. Fourth on our list is the importance of having a supportive team. Now, let's not kid ourselves, cycling is often seen as a solo sport. But behind every successful cyclist, there's a dedicated team working tirelessly. This includes coaches who provide valuable guidance and training plans, teammates who push you to your limits, and a support staff that ensures you're fit and ready for every race. The role of a coach, for instance, extends beyond the training ground. They're crucial in strategizing race plans and helping you navigate the complex world of professional cycling. Your teammates, on the other hand, are your comrades on the road. They set the pace, protect you from the wind, and even sacrifice their own chances of winning to support you. And let's not forget the unsung heroes, the support staff. They're the ones who maintain your equipment, manage your nutrition, and ensure you're physically and mentally prepared. So remember, a great team can be the difference between winning and losing. Now, let's address the risks involved in professional cycling. When we speak of risks, it's essential to understand that these aren't limited to physical ones. Sure, there's the potential for injuries from minor scrapes and bruises to more severe issues like fractures or concussions. The rigors of competitive cycling can also put a significant strain on the body, leading to chronic conditions over time. But beyond the physical, we must also consider the mental pressures. The stress of competition, the constant need to perform at your peak, the scrutiny of the public eye, it's a lot to handle. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. These risks are real and substantial, but they are also part of the package. Professional cycling, like any high-level sport, demands a lot from its participants. Being aware of these risks and prepared for them is part of being a professional cyclist. Seventh on our list is the lifestyle. Being a professional cyclist is not just about pedaling the bike, it's a way of life, a commitment that goes beyond the routine training. It's about embracing a lifestyle that's as thrilling as it is demanding. Imagine the whirlwind of excitement that comes with traveling to different parts of the world for competitions, soaking in the culture of new places, and meeting fellow cyclists from diverse backgrounds. The road to a race isn't just paved with asphalt, it's lined with stories waiting to be told and experiences waiting to be lived. But remember, with this lifestyle comes the glare of public attention. Your triumphs and trials are laid bare for the world to see. The cheers of the crowd can be exhilarating, but the scrutiny can also be overwhelming. The lifestyle can be exciting, but it's not for everyone. It requires a certain level of grace under pressure and a constant thirst for adventure. You got to love the ride, in every sense of the word. Next, we're going to talk about the rewards. When you break through the challenges and climb the summit, professional cycling can be immensely rewarding. One aspect that often springs to mind is the potential financial rewards. A successful professional cyclist can earn a significant income through race winnings, sponsorships, and brand endorsements. But the rewards go beyond the financial. There's a unique satisfaction that comes from competing at the highest level, pushing your limits, and achieving your personal best. Every race you finish, every mountain you conquer, and every record you break adds to this sense of accomplishment. Lastly, let's not forget the opportunity to inspire others. As a professional cyclist, you become a role model for aspiring athletes. Your dedication, perseverance, and sportsmanship can motivate others to chase their dreams, whether in cycling or other walks of life. The rewards of professional cycling can be great, but they come with a lot of hard work. Ninth on our list is passion. Passion is the fuel that drives the engine of the professional cyclist. It's the fire in your heart that pushes you beyond your limits, the love for the open road and the thrill of the race. The importance of truly loving the sport cannot be overstated. When you're out on the track, battling against the elements, the terrain, and your own physical limits, it's your passion for cycling that will keep you going. It's what gets you up for early morning training sessions, what helps you endure the grueling races, what makes you strive for constant improvement. Passion for cycling is more than just enjoying the sport. It's about having a deep, visceral connection to it. It's about feeling a sense of joy and fulfillment every time you're on your bike, regardless of whether you're training, competing, or just cycling for fun. Without passion, the challenges of professional cycling can quickly become overwhelming. Finally, let's talk about the journey. Becoming a professional cyclist isn't a straight, downhill path. It's more like a mountainous trail, filled with thrilling peaks and challenging valleys. There will be victories, sweet as the finish line after an uphill climb. Each win is not just a medal or a title, but a testament to your grit, your determination, and your sheer willpower. But with victories come defeats. They're the hard falls, the scraped knees, the times when you feel like you can't pedal any further. Yet, these are the moments that shape you, that make you stronger, that teach you resilience. And then there's the personal growth. The countless hours spent training, the sacrifices made, the discipline learned. All these contribute to molding you into a better version of yourself. Remember, every pedal stroke is a step forward in your journey. The journey to becoming a professional cyclist is a unique and rewarding one. That brings us to the end of our list. We've journeyed through the 10 crucial elements you need to consider before stepping onto the path of professional cycling. From the unwavering commitment required, the demanding yet rewarding training, to the importance of choosing the right equipment. We've delved into the significance of having a supportive team, the risks involved, and the lifestyle changes you might need to make. We've also highlighted the rewards that come with success and the passion that fuels every pedal stroke. Remember, each of these elements is a piece of a larger puzzle. They all contribute to the journey that is professional cycling. It's a journey marked by sweat, perseverance, and the thrill of speed. Remember, becoming a professional cyclist is a journey that requires passion, commitment, and hard work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more informative and engaging content.